Guess that lasts long enough that I wasn't able to get parry off there. Why did I... My brain's slow. I'm slow. I'm fucking slow as shit. Dang. There's a little troll out of me. Shit. Whoa, pot lane. We in the game. Whoa, the minions. My real lane opponent. I'm watching it. My eyes are burning it. Glad this Ezreal's telling me what I want to do. I like it. Wow, what a tool. Teemo! Teemo, no! No, no, I'm pulling this wave. My god, minions, please. Please make him miss a little bit of farm here. Ooh, slick. Slick. What are you gonna do? I can't kill you because you're too stupid and tanky. No, I missed the cannon. Shove this and go. Hopefully help us go. Cho never loses. Yeah, Ben's played Cho. He's never lost on Cho. Oof. Yeah, let's go, let's go. Whisper, whisper, whisper. Oh, he knows. What's this guy's problem? Damn it. You have no mana. You have no mana. Stupid. Look at this, Sam. Look at this. This is no mana for you? The hell? Just put eyeballs on my back. Alright. Dude, I'm a farmer. Hey Sam, look up a game called Shotgun Farmer. Yo, this rat goes rat mid and complains and loses to Lucian. Bro, just chill out. Let's win the game. Come on, minions, follow me. Follow Papa Sam. Follow Papa Sam out of harm's way. Whoa, Cho, buddy, what are you doing? What are you doing? Oh shit! No, no, my entire freeze here. Bonk. Wanna throw a fireball at me again? Oh shit. No! 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 Shit. Solid games, dude. Solid games, bruh. Holy shit, I couldn't do anything there. Should be Christmas. They do only need one more dragon. It's only 17 minutes into the game. Oh boy. Team's mental booming. The team is mental booming. We're having a mental boom. I'm mental booming. I didn't expect the Shyvana over that wall. I should have wards out, but I'm dumb. The big dumb. Not the little dumb, but the big one. I shouldn't have got caught out there. That Rifty doesn't matter. We'll just rotate to wherever they drop it and kill it. It's not worth any gold. The only time it's actually good is when they actually get something with it. We got hot righteous glory and bramble to this. Holy shit, this guy's gaming. Shit, these guys must know something I don't know. Oh shit. Get me out of here. Get me out of here. I don't want to be here anymore. Dang, W wasn't up. We lose Drake, and I think that might be the game. Well, I guess I have to agree. Pretty sure it's over. Pretty sure. Looks like the game is over.